As we own the production, we can develop or build machines that have low energy consumption. We can also make sure that 100% of the energy comes from renewable resources. A great example of sustainable innovation is when we changed the package size by 2 millimeters and reduced transport with 33%. So that small change nobody sees make a big impact on the environment. It's really great that we have both development and production at the same house, so we can choose ourselves what robots, what technology we want to use. So that's really fun as an engineer to always go for the best choices. Designing machines and all the automation is really fun. You have great colleagues, but also you make products that is good for people's oral health. So that's nice, I think.